Have you ever pondered the importance of air compressors in the automotive and industrial sectors? These unsung heroes of the manufacturing world are vital for a wide range of tasks, from inflating tires to powering pneumatic tools like impact wrenches. Delving into the statistics, it's predicted, according to Next Move Strategy Consulting, that the air compressor market size will reach a staggering $41 billion by 2030. This indicates a tremendous growth trajectory and an increasing reliance on these machines in various industries. However, this journey to prosperity isn't without challenges. The air compressor market faces significant constraints due to increasing concerns around noise and air pollution associated with compressor operations. The substantial noise generated by air compressors, particularly in industrial settings, poses a major challenge to noise regulations compliance and community tolerance. Now, who are the key players facilitating this growth, you ask? Several market stalwarts are operating in the air compressor market. These include Atlas Copco, Kobe Steel, LG Equipment Limited, Ingersoll Rand, Kirloskar Pneumatic Company Limited, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Sulzer, Ibarra Corporations, Porter Cable, VMAC Global Technology, among others. Each one plays a crucial role in shaping the future of the air compressor market. In conclusion, air compressors, while often overlooked, play a vital role in the automotive and industrial sectors. The market is poised for significant growth, projected to reach $41 billion by 2030. However, it isn't without its challenges, with noise and air pollution concerns posing notable constraints. Yet with the involvement of key market players and the driving force of regions like North America, the future of the air compressor market remains bright. So, stay connected with us to stay updated on the dynamic air compressor market and its transformative influence on the construction industry.